Hi friends, it's me, Miss Diane, and I'm here to read a story for you today. And we're going to sing a song. We're going to learn a new song. It's a song about feelings, because the story that I'm going to read to you today is about a grumpy monkey. And we all know that grumpy is a feeling, but there are other feelings too. So first let's sing our song, and then we'll talk about all the different kinds of feelings that we might have. I made a shaker for our song. You can just clap along. And the song goes like this. Hey, hey, what's your mood today? I know sometimes that it's hard to say. Hey, hey, what's your mood today? Let's stop and think and breathe and say, hey, hey, what's your mood today? I know sometimes that it's hard to say. Hey, hey, what's your mood today? Let's stop and think and breathe and say, hey, hey, hey. All right, good job. So maybe some of you have met my friend Tucker the turtle. Do you know him? No? Well, Tucker is a turtle who, when he's feeling bad or sad or mad, likes to tuck inside his shell. And when he's in there, he takes 3 deep breaths like this. And then he comes back out of his shell, and he thinks about a solution to his problem. The problem that made him feel scared or angry or sad or worried in the first place. So let's think about some things that might make you angry. Like when a friend takes a toy away from you. That might make you angry. Or how about when you're trying to talk to your parents and they don't listen to you, and you get frustrated. Sometimes it even makes you want to cry. Right, Tucker? Tucker understands. So what should we do, Tucker? Tucker says, tuck in. Take 3 deep breaths. Think of a solution and come back out of your shell. Now I know we don't have shells, but you could tuck into your shirt like that. You could tuck under your arm like that. Or maybe you can just find a quiet room to sit inside until you're feeling better. Now, let's think about some solutions to those problems. The first one, what if a friend took a toy away from you? What could you do? Well, one thing, you could go ask a grown-up for help. Another thing you could do is just ignore it, pretend it didn't happen. Or a third thing that you could do is use your words and say, I was playing with that. When I'm finished, I'll let you have the toy and then you can have a turn. How about the other problem we talked about? When you're trying to talk to your parents or maybe a grown-up and they won't listen. Well, you can be patient. That means wait quietly until it's your turn. And then you can say, excuse me, I have something to say. And then use your words. I know it's hard to speak up for yourself, but sometimes you have to. Just be polite about it. What do you think about that, Tucker? Tucker likes it. All right, buddy, high five me. Woo! Great job. I think we're ready for our story. The story about Grumpy Monkey Party Time. Oh, do you know Grumpy Monkey? Yeah, Grumpy Monkey has been in some other books, but this is a new one. Grumpy Monkey is going to a party, but he doesn't really want to go because, well, you'll see. Grumpy Monkey was written by Suzanne Lang. So if you like the story, maybe you can send her an email and say, "Hey, Mrs. Lang, we really liked your story." One perfectly pleasant afternoon, Jim Panzee found an invitation on his branch. So that guy is Jim Panzee. Get it? Kind of like chimpanzee. Oh, it was written on a leaf. It says, "You are invited to Porcupine's party." Party? Said Jim. Sounds to me like he doesn't really want to go. His friend Norman said, "It'll be a great time. We can dance." "Dance?" Jim exclaimed, cutting Norman off. "I can't dance." Look at his face. All the animals said, "Can't dance? What?" "Everyone can dance," said Hyena. "Come on, show us your moves." "I don't have any moves," said Jim. Sure you do," said Hyena. "You just need to try." So Jim tried to dance. Oh, okay. "You should have taken him at his word," Norman said to Hyena. So while Jim Panzee tries dancing, the other animals are watching him. "Well," said Oxpecker, "if Jim doesn't know how to dance, we'll just have to teach him." Everyone was excited to teach Jim how to dance. "You gotta feel the beat," the lizard said. "You gotta strut your stuff," said Ostrich. "You gotta shake your butt," said the baboons. Look at everybody shaking their bottoms. "Wow, he's doing it! He's dancing!" Everybody cheered. They were all so happy. He must be doing a good job. "Party time," said Norman, and they headed to Porcupine's party. At the party, everyone wanted to dance with Jim. "Dance with us," said the ground squirrels. "Care to shake a tail feather?" asked Peacock. "May we cut in?" said the warthogs. Me next," said Rhino. Jim danced and danced. Everyone on the dance floor was having a great time. Everyone except Jim. Whoa, look at that. Rhino's really spinning him around. And then it got worse. "Isn't this the best?" chirped Oxpecker. But I don't think... that Jim was having very much fun. Oops. Sorry. "No," Jim said. "This is not the best. It's the worst. I don't like dancing."
The other animals stared in amazement. "Who ever heard of someone who doesn't like dancing?" asked Oxpecker. Actually, said Water Buffalo, "I don't like dancing either. But I never said anything because I thought I was the only one." I know others enjoy themselves," squawked Marabou. "But I always feel silly on the dance floor. I'd rather do something else." Bat said, "To be honest, dance floors are always too loud for my taste." "I'm going home," Jim said, and he turned to go. And bumped smack into Norman. "You're not leaving, are you?" asked Porcupine. "Everybody at this party wants to dance," said Jim. "But we don't like dancing." "Well, it's not for everyone," Norman agreed. Porcupine said sadly, "But now I'll have too much food." "Oh, Porcupine, we didn't mean to upset you." Jim paused. "Wait, you mean there's food at this party?" Oops, I think I skipped a page. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I did. Look at all that food. Holy molars. And indeed, there was lots of wonderful food. There was a pineapple pudding, maggot salad, a fruit bowl, and a flour cake, and surprise eggs, bananas, honey, more bananas. Wow, I think food is Jim's favorite thing. Food and plenty of games, too. They're playing tag and bobbing for mangoes. And so they stayed at the party. Jim enjoyed the wonderful food. He laughed with his friends. He even played a game or two, but he did not dance. It was a great time. So what happened there? So Jim decided that he had a lot more fun at the party if he didn't have to do the thing that he really didn't like doing. Sometimes it's fun to try something that you think you're not going to like, but Jim did. He tried it, and he still figured out that he didn't like it. So, eating food, talking with friends, and playing games was a good thing to do. Did you like that story? I sure did. All right, my friends. So, how about if we quickly learn a Halloween song? Because you know what? It's October, and it's almost Halloween time, so we can practice today. We're going to hold up our 5 fingers and pretend they're 5 little pumpkins. Do you know this song about 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate? Let's sing it together. Or if you don't know it, this is just the first time we'll do it. We'll do it again next time, and then you'll know it better. Here we go. 5 little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." And the fifth one said, "It's time for some fun." And then, ooh, went the wind, and out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Good job, friends. Alrighty, that's it for me today. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.